Hello students. Till now we have discussed how to find the multiples of a number. Now we will discuss about the common multiples and least common multiples. Let us take an example. First is find LCM of 2 and 3. LCM means least common multiple. For finding the LCM of 2 and 3 or any numbers, we will write the multiples of the given numbers. Then we will look for the common multiples and then we will write the least common multiple. Let us start. First write the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and so on. I have written up to 10th multiple of the given number. We can write more also. Now multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. Now let us look for the common multiples. 2 not here, 4 not here, 6 that is in both of these numbers. 8 no, 10 no, 12. 12 is in the multiples of 2 and 3 both. And same our next number is 18 here also. Now we have got 3 common multiples 6, 12 and 18. Now from these common multiples 6 is the least common multiple. So our LCM is 6. Let us try one more example. Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Let us write multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and so on. What I am doing? I am reciting the tables of these numbers. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Then 12. 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Now let us look for the common multiples of these numbers. 6 not common in everyone. 12 common in 2 but not in all. Then 18 no. 24 yes, I can see 24 in the multiples of 6, 8 and 12. So this is our common multiple. Now 30 no. 36 common in 2 but not in all. 42 no. 48 yes. 48 is common in all these numbers multiples. Now 54 no. 60 no. Now write these common multiples. Sorry, we have to write here 24 and 48. Now least common multiple between these two. 24 is least number, so our LCM will be 24. Now on the basis of these two examples you will solve your worksheet number 4. I have written the questions here. Note this and do in your homework notebook. Thank you.